Hello, my name is Madison Crocker. I'm from Milan, Tennessee. Um, I have a few hobbies of I enjoy riding horses. I do work as a vet tech full time at a Jackson Pet Emergency Clinic. I do enjoy what I do. I am a full time student here at the University of Tennessee at Martin. I do plan to go to graduate school to get my DVM, my doctorate in veterinary medicine. I will already graduate Martin with my bachelor's in animal science and veterinary science. I enjoy spending time with my friends and my family as well, especially considering I will be leaving in a year to go off to vet school for a while. Um, I enjoy my time here at UT Martin. I've learned a lot, and in order to take this course, it was recommended by my advisor, and it is required for me to graduate. So that is why I'm in this course, and I hope to enjoy it and meet the rest of you.